It's another day for science. I am your professor, RSK. You can call me Prof. RSK for short. Today we are discussing compounds. What is a compound? A compound is a chemical combination of two or more elements. Yes, it is the chemical combination of two or more elements. Elements can be combined to form compounds by chemical means. So we're going to look at the strategies to combine two or more elements. It's going to be very simple, so follow me even as we go to what we want to do for today. So this is our first compound, sodium chloride. We would first have to know how to write it. So we're going to learn how to write sodium chloride. And sodium chloride is a very simple compound that is available. There's common salt. Salt. The one that we use to prepare our soup, stew, salt. Yes. That is sodium chloride. Now for us to write this compound, first we need to write the element sodium. And sodium is Na. You remember? First 20 elements, sodium. And then chlorine, Cl. Alright. So sodium and then chlorine, yes. But how did we get the name chloride? Now, everybody that goes into marriage, especially the ladies, they change their names and then they adapt their man's name. So I can just compare. Then on a lighter note, that is how it is. But chlorine is going to change into chloride by the addition of ide. IDE. So all the elements that are negative, they are negatively charged, as in they give out their outermost electrons, they change their names to ide. So oxygen becomes oxide. Okay, we'll do more of this in our subsequent lesson, and then you get to understand. So chlorine and then sodium here. Now, let's look at the atomic number for sodium is 11 and then chlorine is 17. We look at our valency. Our valency for sodium is 2, 8, 1. And then chlorine is 2, 8, 7. Alright, so here we want to, our electron configuration is written, we want to know our valencies. You remember that in our subsequent class we discussed that when the valency is more than 4, we subtract it. So for us to find our valency from our electron configuration, this is 8 minus 7, which is giving us 1. So our valency here is 1. And then here our valency, straightforward, is 1. So sodium has a valency of 1 and then chlorine has a valency of 1. If you want to easily get a compound, then you cross multiply. So we are going to do some small analysis of what is going to happen. So sodium here and chlorine there. Now this one is going to cross and this one is also going to cross down. Okay, I'm going to do another one so you get it more clearer. So sodium here, the valency is 1. Chlorine here, now the valency is 1. Because it is 1, 1, you don't have to write it, you just maintain it like that. So sodium chloride is NaCl, having a valency of 1 and then a valency of 1. Alright, so let's look at aluminium chloride as our second example, and then we go through. So aluminium, the symbol, chemical symbol, aluminium is this. It has atomic number of 13. And then chlorine, as we know, atomic number 17. Alright, electron configuration, let me call it EC, not the AC you know, but let me just put it here so that you get it. So we have 2, 8, 3. Let me use commas. Okay, 2, 8, 3, and then we have 2, 8, 7. Right, 2, 8, 7. So this is our electron configuration. We can find our valencies from our electron configuration. Here, it satisfies the first rule. So our valency is 3. And then here our valency 8 minus 7 equals 1. So here the valency is 1. So aluminium has a valency of 3. It's plus. And then chlorine here has a valency 1. Now, forget about the plus and minus for now so that you don't get confused. Just put the valencies there, 3 and then 1. Then you cross multiply, or not cross multiply, but you just cross it. So aluminium here has a valency of 1. The 1 here comes down to aluminium, and then the 3 here comes down to chlorine. So 3. So if we are writing it well, now we have Al, the valency is 1, Cl3, aluminium chloride.